Title: Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? Thoughtful face emoji. Hook: Ever wonder why your stomach sounds like a growling bear when you're hungry? Curiosity and tension: You might think it's just your tummy begging for food, but there's a surprising reason behind this noisy mystery. Inside your digestive system, a series of wave-like muscle contractions known as peristalsis kicks into action, even when it's empty. Payoff: As these muscles move, they push air and digestive juices around, creating that familiar rumbling sound. It's actually your body's way of prepping for the next meal, clearing out leftover bits to make room. So next time you hear it, remember,